Today is my birthday joke. Tomorrow bitaw. And advance happy birthday self. And then okay man, okay. Struggle and then taka na pug ni wait na karon unexpected ni Grace Sir Peter. Thank you Sir Peter. And then last year before birthday na gusto na mag video para ni ka karon 15 but now I forget. And then karon nako and then nisamutod ako. Then ay next year is mag 16 ako. Kapit na ako magdiput and summer to. And then good luck myself as a to become a fashion designer, international fashion designer. And more to. Adi pa day. Cause next year pa day 16 na ako and then advance happy birthday myself. May wish lang kay mag hindi tamang tanong. Okay, self. Then I'm family healthy and happy always. Hindi buko ko naman upload si mama. About my crush. Ano to? Well, ni quit yung atin no advance karon jud. Pagkapakarot ako alas 4. Bye. Happy advance happy birthday self.